welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dudu, back at it again with another banging video. In today's video, as you already see by the title, I am going to be doing some Marley Twist, some jumbo twist. I don't really know what to call them, but yeah, that is what I'm going to do to my hair. As you can already see, I kind of started, but yeah, that was just to make sure that I know what I'm doing before I come on YouTube. But yeah, so basically today I'm going to be doing these on the rest of my hair. And before we get into the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I purchased hair from Amazon. It's called Afro Kinky Twist hair, and it came in this cute little, not cute, but it just came in this packaging, and there are 4 packets inside. I'll leave the link in the description of the exact hair I got. So it comes in these little packets, 4 of them, and inside a packet there's this much hair. This is literally 1 packet because I was using it as a ponytail, and you can kind of see exactly how the texture of the hair is. And yeah, I really kind of like it. I just wanted something simple that I can do in a short time, that's not like braids, and this seems perfect to me. So as you can already see, I did a few of them just to make sure that I know what I'm doing, and also just test out which method I'm doing, because I haven't actually done twists. I always do box braids, and so I just decided that I'll try them out and then come and show y'all. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this Cantu leave-in conditioner just to moisturize my hair. I may or may not use this crochet needle because I might do some of them in crochet. Detangling brush, gel, the usual things. So yeah, without further ado, let us take this down. So this is what's going on underneath the bandana. So I already parted in these jumbo parts. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how I am doing the hair. I'm just gonna show you how it's coming up so far. I mean, it's not the neatest, to be honest, but it'll do. I like it, so I hope it's focusing, but that is how it is looking. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing it. Yeah, I'll start with this twist right here. Put a little bit of the leave-in conditioner, a very slight amount. I detangle this section. I forgot to mention the packet. Each packet has 24 pieces of hair, and each piece is this size. So I'm going to be using 2 pieces for each section of hair, and I'm going to separate it a little bit. I'm just going to kind of unravel it, but not all the way. So now that I have 2 of my unraveled sections, because I want it to be slightly longer, I'm going to kind of taper it. I always do this to my hair, even if I'm doing box braids, because the hair is never long enough for me. So with the 2 strands, one side is shorter and the other side is shorter, so that when I put it together, it is slightly longer, and then I'm going to take the shorter side on each side and open it all the way to the bottom so that it just blends in with the rest of the hair. Okay, so now this is the hair that I'm working with. And I am using the method where you just put it in the middle, open your hair, put it in the middle, twist one side, twist over, twist the other side, then just keep twisting. So I'm going to show you guys real quick. I need to first open my hair. Then come here to the middle of this hair. And put this in the middle and hold it with my other hand down. I need to hold my hair together with the twist hair on this side, on my right hand, and I'm going to twist the natural way I kind of twist. Goodness me. Then I'm going to twist it like I was going to twist the hair and hold it on the other with the other hand. Don't know if you're still following. And then I'm gonna take this hair with this same hand that I was doing the other one with, and then twist it again on the same side. Then I'm going to start twisting my hair together. Kind of made it too tight, but I can always loosen it up. Let me show you guys one more. This one is in front. I am going to put some of the edge control. So yeah, that's basically how I'm going to be doing most of my hair. I'm going to do quite a bit of it, then I will come back to you guys when I'm doing the front, and then I'll show you again if I use the crochet method. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how I do the whole thing with the rubber band method. So this is my section. I'm going to take a rubber band and I'll dip it in a bit of some oil that I put in here. So I'm just going to do about 5 times, not too close to the roots so that I have space for the crochet needle. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that was 6, but there. So I still have like some space for the crochet needle. So I already prepped the hair. I'm gonna take the crochet needle, just a regular one, and I'll put it through my hair and leave it there so I can pick this hair up and twist it like in the middle area, and hold it like that and then I'll put that through the crochet needle. Can you see that? I'll put that through the crochet needle, like right there, close the latch, and then put it through my hair, and then pull the crochet needle out, close it, and then pull the one side of hair. Then I'm gonna adjust it to make sure that they're even. Yeah. Then I'll separate the hair and pull it also to make it like tighten the roots now. So pull that. So now I'm gonna hold my hair with the braiding hair and my hair with the braiding hair on both sides, and basically just start twisting. So I'm on the last braid finally, and I'm so tired. It has been over 4 hours because I started doing my hair at 7 and it is now 11. And yeah, anyway, just thought you guys would watch me do my last braid. I am done. Oh my goodness. Okay. So you guys, that is it for today's video. I decided to film the outro today because last night I was like in a bad mood. I was tired, you know, the vibes. So yeah, this is the outro. I absolutely love the hair. This is just one of the styles I've done, but I absolutely love it. It only took about 4 hours and 15 minutes, which is really good for like one hairstyle in one sitting. So yeah, and I forgot to mention I used color 4, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The sun is running away. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to join this amazing family. And I really do hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.